Hello everyone. In this video we will see how a teacher will be able to check his profile details and use the internal messaging system for communication. So I am logging in as a teacher. I am using the username to be E32 and password to be E32123 or the new password that I might have changed. So here, to check my profile details, I will go to academics and my profile. And I can check the details as are entered by the admin when he admitted my details in FEDINA. I can also get the PDF report of these details. We can see the general details, the personal details, so that would include the date of birth, the marital status and the other details as entered by the admin. We can see the address related information, the home address and the office address, the contact details, the bank information and the additional information. I can check the payroll details. So this is the data that is entered by the administrator when he admitted your details. I can also check the payslips for any month if they are approved by the HR or the finance department. I can check the leave related information, which is the attendance information. It also shows you each leave type and the balance available. It also shows you the total leaves that you have taken. You can apply for leaves by going to this option of leaves where you get the application form. We can also see the timetable. So as per the timetable that is created and assigned to you by the administrator, the details will come up here. So this shows the timetable duration and on each day and the duration, which is the class that you have to take and in what batch. To see a more detailed view for a particular day, we can click on activities. It shows for a particular date, the classes and the subjects that are assigned to you and the batch details along with the classroom and the building details. So this is as per what is set by the FEDINA administrator for you as a teacher. Under more, we will be able to see the library books that we have issued, the transport details, the transport fees that is applicable to us, and activities is similar to what we saw under timetable. As a teacher, I can also use the internal messaging system, which is also known as Reminder. So either I can click on this Reminder tab or this icon on the top right to be able to create messages. Internal reminder system is used to communicate with other peers or other colleagues in any department and with the students. I can also communicate with the parents of the students. That option will come only when I am assigned as an employee to a batch of students and the students should also have parent details. The details of the parents should be present for the teacher to be able to send an internal message. So I will be selecting the batch and the student will come up and I'll mention the subject and also I can mention the details of this subject and send this message to the student. When the student will log in his FEDINA, he will be able to see the same message inside his inbox. In this internal messaging system, the teacher will get automatic SMSs regarding discipline complaints, event creations, or the tasks that are assigned to them or any updates that are done. So I am logging in as another teacher to show you the details. So for this teacher, this is the messaging system, and since this teacher is a part of discipline complaints, the teacher has got that message. Also for events, the teacher had got the details of the events. The task that is assigned or updated details also come up here. For this teacher, when I create the message, I can also do that for the parents. So here, when I select a batch, I'll get up the details of the parents, and I can select the parent and send them the details of any event I need to share with the parents. So this is how the teacher will be able to use the internal messaging system. So in the next video, we will see how the teacher can create assignments and how the students will be able to submit it. And as a teacher, I can accept or reject the assignments. So be tuned in for more videos.